Best truck driver I know.
Funny, don't point nothing at me.
It's pointing at your face right now, Grandma. And it's gonna go all over YouTube.
Oh, there.
I'm gonna go video the second best driver I know. Second best. This is the second best driver I know. And Grandpa, I already got your face.
Go break.
Guess what? Guess what? This is going on YouTube.
It will not be.
It won't. Grandma, where exactly are we?
I know, we're at Boise.
We're at Boise, Idaho. Oh,
Where's the other knee?
Grandma, move your knees out of the way. Boise, Idaho, and what is this place called? Like Kenworth?
Kenworth.
Yeah, Kenworth stop, I guess. And Grandma keeps getting her knees in the way.
Stop pointing that thing at me. Pointing at the trucks and the picture for shots.
And this driver likes to speed.
Hey.
The cops are gonna get this.